We all know that LinkedIn is a professional platform. Every huge number of jobs are offered in this LinkedIn platform. So if you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, then you will be able to find more job offers than others. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize LinkedIn profile to get more job offers. So let's get started. Okay, at first you need to log in your LinkedIn profile. When you logged in your LinkedIn profile, then you'll be able to find here one options below your profile picture, and it is show recruiters you're open to work. So you just need to simply click over there, get started. When you click here get started, then you will get this interface. The first option you will get here, the job titles. If you're looking for any specific job, you need to write down here. For example, I'm looking for marketing job, then just simply write down here marketing. Okay, when I write down here marketing, then I will get some jobs related to marketing. From there, you'll be able to add 1 to 5 titles from there. For example, I'm adding here these options. Okay, I just added one, but if you want, you can add 1 to 5 job titles. Then the second one is job location. You can add your job locations. The third one is start date. Here 2 options: immediately I'm actively applying, or flexible I'm casually browsing. You can choose this one if you're actively looking for a job. Then here is job types. Here are 5 types of job. You can choose any one of them, or if you want, you can choose all the types. Okay, after completing this task, then you will get the last option. It is choose who can see your open. Just need to simply click there. Then you'll be able to find 2 options. If you want everyone on LinkedIn can see that you're looking for jobs, then you need to give a tick mark. But if you want only recruiters will be able to find you that you're looking for a job, then just simply need to click here. It is up on you what you choose. So after give a tick mark, then you just need to simply click here add to profile. When you click here add to profile, then it will be added to your profile. Okay, here you can see that options is added here. That means everyone on LinkedIn will be able to find that I'm looking for jobs. So in this way you'll be able to add in the profile that you're looking for jobs. Here you can see in my profile picture, here is one tag, open to work. That means whenever anyone visits my profile, they'll be able to find it. So in this way it will be easiest for you to get more job offers in your LinkedIn profile.